Alright, I got my 93 R129 here, or in other words, 500 SL, or it could be a 300 or 600. So today we're doing the camber kits in the rears. This is the one that's still on there, the factory one. So all it takes is that bolt come loose, bolt and nut, and this one here in the back. Pretty easy, pretty simple to take off. Bunch of spider webs. But I have taken off this side already. Here it is, off. It's pretty simple. Camber kits I have is from Camber King. There it is. Oh, there it is. So one thing we did have to do is, so you see this, let me take this off. So you see this pin in here, clamping sleeve actually. It's like a little sleeve with a little slit in the middle. So it did come off of this, one of the sides, but you have to get this off in order to put it on here, because this sleeve will help not or make it a little bit sturdier in there. And then plus, if you put this bolt in there, you have a super wide gap in there. So you have to have that sleeve in there. It was a pain to get that in there. As you can see, it's a little beat up, but we did make it happen. I did have to make a little bit of modifications. Had to drill it a little bit wider on this side. I didn't drill it where it slid this on perfectly. I did have to hammer it in there a bit, but I didn't drill it too small nor too big, just the size you want, so it could be in there a little sturdy. So check this out. This is how it's gonna be. I just took the back one off, and this one I just took it off. So you're gonna get these. Well, this one, it's gonna be in the back, and this one comes out with this. It's gonna come out pretty easy, no biggie. I think I lost a nut somewhere here. Okay. So now you gotta pry it here and here. Get any screwdriver, flathead, and just pry it in here. And there you go. Just keep doing that slowly, all around. Slowly. It's pretty simple. Not too hard. Uh-oh. Well, yeah, let me just take this off, then I'll come back to the video. Okay. Took only a couple seconds to take this out. Here it is. This is the pin that the sleeve that I'm talking about. Just gotta squeeze it, pry it out, and then you slap it on your new one. Do take this in mind, because I almost messed up. So on this side, this is the one that I was gonna put on this side. So there's no left and right on these, but where the sleeve goes, where the sleeve faces, this is how it was gonna go. Well, on here, the sleeve, here's the hole that the sleeve goes in. The sleeve actually goes this way. So this one, I'm gonna put it on the other side, because the sleeve goes that way. So keep that in mind before you put on that sleeve. So yeah, let's slap these on, come back to you guys. Okay, so got the first one in, not bolted down yet, but it was pretty easy to put these in there. These you don't have to clamp or nothing, you just slide it in there. Goes in pretty good. This, just try to make it, so what I did is I put original one together, well, flat, and then I put the new one up top, and then I just twisted the camber arm until these lined up as the same as the original. Once you have these in there and they're lined up, if you need to go, let me try to do this. Okay, so if the holes don't line up right here, all you do is twist the arm, and it'll extend it or bring it back in, and it should be pretty simple. Let's put these on and see how they turn out. I did put one wheel on this side. It's still gonna go lower. I just hand adjusted it. I haven't tightened anything. I'm just mocking it up. These are the wheels that I'm running. I believe they are 19s by 12 or 12 and a half. There's some walled. Oh, there you go. Right there. Some walled. Hopefully I didn't butcher that name, but let's see how they look after I lower this car. Looking good. Looking like we could tuck them pretty good. I don't have too much camber on it. When I did put them down, I did notice that the back of the wheel or the back of the barrel was touching this part. So I did hand adjust it a little bit less. So, well, a little bit out. I guess gave it positive camber. So yeah, let's see how these turn out. So I did lower it. I did adjust some height and camber on each side. So this is the first height that I might leave it at, because like I said, it is the car is static. So that's how it's gonna be. It's not too bad. It doesn't look too high nor too low. When it does push in, the wheel kind of tucks in the fender pretty easy, and it's not too bad. I do still gotta add the front wheels. The front wheels are a little bit less, or are a lot less wider. This is, I wish I was bagged, but if I was bagged, I would have left it like this. It does look nice. It's like right on the, little bit in, but right on the fender. That's the look right there. 19 by 12 or 19 by 12.5. I got to check the messages from the guy that I got the wheels from, but yeah, shout out to him too, man. He gave me a super good deal on these. Yep, here's the Benz 93 R129. Any questions you guys might have, just let me know in the comments below. I'll put my Instagram there, or there it is right there actually. But yeah, I'll go ahead and if you guys have any questions, just let me know. I kind of worked around this car a couple times with either suspension or interior engine wise. If you guys have questions on the coilovers I have, they are TA Technics. I got them on eBay, I believe. I'm not sure where they sell them now. I'll try to find them and put them in the link below or in the bio. So yeah, any questions, just let me know. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you. Bye.